Okay, guys, it's time to bring you in on the announcement we've been saving for you. We are now a new vendor at OK Roots, which is a store here in Owasso. For all of you that are out of state, you can still order our products on our website at secondmilejourney.com. I'll put a link down in the description. But for anyone local in Oklahoma, you definitely need to go check out this store. It is really awesome. There are a lot of great items, made in Oklahoma items from farms and homesteads all around, and just look at some of these adorable things. And they have all kinds of things. And then you'll see we've got our jams and our basil blends. But we also have some of our kitchen decor items as well. So if you do go by OK Roots, make sure you ask for a sample. And for all my local people, that is where you can go to get your free sample so that you can try the jam before you actually buy it. Because I want to make sure that you like it before you spend your money. But I know you're going to love it. Everybody that has tried it has loved it. So I can't wait to hear what you think. Go check out OK Roots. You can also follow them on Facebook or TikTok. And remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources.